Greetings, Professor Van here. This video is about sensor technology. Sense is the ability to perceive. Humans have way more than the talked about 5 senses. For instance, our sense of balance, or equilibrioception, tells us if our body is upright. Our kinesthetic sense, known as proprioception, lets us know the position and movement of our bodies. There are at least 14 and a few more. Sensors are devices that measure or detect changes and then provide an output that can in turn be measured and recorded. There are numerous types of sensors. First, let's look at the capacitive. Basically, capacitive sensors consist of 2 parallel metal plates in which the dielectric between the plates is either air or some other medium. The capacitance will change if any parameter changes. An application for capacitive sensors is pressure movement, in which the movable capacitive plates relative to a fixed one changes the capacitance. In this example, the decrease in distance resulted in the increase of capacitance. Resistive sensors rely on the variation of resistance of a material when the measured variable is applied to it. This principle is most commonly applied in temperature measurement using resistance thermometers or thermistors, since resistance is a function of temperature. Magnetic sensors rely on the magnetic principles of inductance, reluctance, and eddy currents to detect objects and measure quantities. A Hall effect sensor is basically a device that is used to measure the magnitude of a magnetic field. It consists of a current-carrying conductor that is aligned orthogonally with the magnetic field. This produces a transverse voltage difference across the device that is directly proportional to the magnetic field strength. If the field weakens, the voltage weakens as a result. Piezoelectric transducers are made from piezoelectric materials. These materials produce a voltage whenever a force is applied to it. This is known as the piezoelectric principle. The piezoelectric principle is invertible, and therefore, distortion in the piezoelectric material can be caused by applying a voltage to it. Air path optical sensors are commonly used to measure proximity. An infrared laser diode is placed in one end, and in the other end, a light detector. Usually, a photodiode whose resistance is increased with the absence of light. That's it for sensor technology. The contents of this video are from the 13th chapter of the book, Measurement and Instrumentation, by Morris and Langari. I highly suggest that you check that out for more information about the subject.